In this video, I'm just going to show you briefly that the between subjects results reported by SPSS and other programs when you do a within subjects ANOVA does not imply that there's a between subjects factor in your analysis. So I've simulated data, got 3 levels associated with the within subjects factor, time 1, time 2, time 3. And let's just look at the basic descriptive statistics associated with this. We've got time 1 to time 3. We'll look at the means and standard deviation. And we can see that the first mean is negative 1.0. The second mean is 0, and then it's a 1.0. So there's a mixture of negative and positive values here. The standard deviation is 1 across all levels. And let's just see that there are correlations between the variables, and there should be. And the correlations are exactly 0.6 across all levels. So these are highly idealized data. So let's test the hypothesis that the means are equal, the null hypothesis of equal means across these 3 levels. And let's go to general linear model, repeated measures. We've got a factor and there are 3 levels. So I've done this analysis already. So usually you would see this over here. So you just put time 1 to time 3 over here and click OK. Let's go to the test of between subjects effect here, and you can see that the F value is exactly 0 and the significance value is 1.00, and so there's no effect here at all, and it's suggesting that the grand mean is actually 0, and it is 0. So if you took the average of negative 1.0, 0.0, and 1.0, you would get 0, and so the grand mean here is 0. The average of the means, or the mean of the means, is 0. And this between subjects effect is saying that, yeah, it's 0. And as the mean of the means deviates further from 0, this between subjects factor F value is going to increase. It would be interesting to see if somebody can point out to me a study where that was an interesting result. This table does become more interesting once there might be a between subjects factor in the analysis. And I talk about that more in another chapter further along. But as far as one-way within subjects ANOVA is concerned, it's pretty much to be ignored.